Today, the Honorable Supreme Court, when resumed its post-lunch proceeding, the Solicitor General of India gave very categorical and specific answer that so far the appointment in Waqf Council and Waqf Board is concerned, the government will not make any appointment till the next date of hearing. The second was regarding the Waqf by user. So the Solicitor General said that those Waqf by user which is registered and gazetted, that will not be denotified till the next date of hearing. Meaning thereby rest of the provisions of the amendment of Waqf Act 2025 will continue and it will be given effect by the government.
What the Solicitor General submitted, do you think it's some kind of a back step?
No, not at all, because this is the statement by the government and the government has balanced both the sides, and so that nobody can get prejudice, and the intention of the government has been made very clear through the presentation made by Solicitor General that the government is not against anybody. So they want that the innocent people should not suffer because of the draconian provision which the Waqf Act was having earlier, prior to amendment. So now those draconian provisions have been taken away, and therefore if you remember today, even today the Honorable Chief Justice made very observation that those are very good amendments, and those are amendments are to be worth to be welcomed. So therefore the amendments which has been challenged by the Muslim side, the giving certain very bad focus, now those things have been heard and the Supreme Court has accepted the amendment except these two concerns where the government has given a statement.